What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the overheating issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel, and here in quick settings panel turn off the extra features that you are not using. So for example, if you are using Wi-Fi, then turn off mobile data. So if you are using torch without any concern, then turn off torch. You can turn off Honor share and hotspot. And if you have enabled any other features like NFC and location, you can also turn them off. And after turning off these extra features will help you to fix the overheating issues. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then try uninstalling the unused apps. So iApp which is not in your use, so look for iApp which you are not using, and after that tap and hold on the app and then tap on uninstall. Now tap on OK from the pop-up to confirm, and then that app will be uninstalled. Now after uninstalling apps, it will help you to fix the overheating issue. But after this, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. Software update. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates. Now click on software update, and from here check if your phone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your phone's software is not up to date, then update the mobile software, and after updating the mobile software, it will help you to fix the overheating issue on your phone. So that's how you can fix the overheating issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.